Namaste, my name is Sushmita and you're watching my English channel Sushmita Madhu. In this video, I'm going to tell you what is joining bonus, whom joining bonus is given and why this joining bonus concept came into existence, and is joining bonus good, what are the drawbacks of joining bonus. All these things we will understand in this video. Watch this video till the end. If you're watching this video for the first time, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Now let us understand first what is a joining bonus. Joining bonus is a lump sum amount that is given by the company to the new hire or a person who has recently got recruited by the company. So the company pays this person a very huge amount to make sure the person is joining the company. To make sure the person is joining the company, they pay a very lump sum big amount. That amount is called as joining bonus. From the name only we can understand. Now let us understand why companies are offering joining bonus. Why they are offering that. Now most of the times what companies has seen is usually people, they compare their offer letters or packages with other companies. For example, there is a person, he has gotten an offer letter from Infosys, Wipro, Accenture, Cognizant, Capgemini, Wipro, all these companies. Definitely he will compare the packages. Packages is the most very important thing to make the selection, to make the decision, right? So the person, he usually compares all the packages. Whoever is offering them maximum package, they will go and join that company only, and he will decline all the other offers, right? Now usually what happens is, to hire one candidate, a company, a multinational company or any company, they pay huge amount or they invest lot of efforts and lot of time also to hire one candidate. If at the end of the day, at the end of the recruitment process, if the person is not joining that company, that results in lot of wastage of time, efforts, money, recruitment team's time also, right? To avoid this kind of wastage of time and efforts and money, companies came up with joining bonus offer. They pay a very lump sum amount to the candidate, so that by seeing the lump sum amount, the candidate should join the company. So to attract them to join the company, companies are giving this joining bonus. Now few companies pay a very lump sum amount, I mean to say money directly, or few companies pay a very hefty or big lucrative gift. For example, MacBooks or KDM bikes also, or some very big gift kind of thing. If they are joining only, then they will get that kind of gifts. So this kind of joining bonuses ideas are used by most of the multinational companies. Now joining bonus, who gets? Usually a fresher gets, or an experienced candidate gets. Means anybody. It can be a fresher also, it can be an experienced candidate also. Whoever is joining immediately, I mean to say whoever is joining fast in the company, they get this kind of joining bonuses. Now experienced candidates also get joining bonuses. Usually how much is the joining bonus? I mean to say, if a person is getting 10 lakhs per annum package, how much might be his joining bonus? Usually for a fresher candidate also, for a experienced candidate also, joining bonus will be 10% to 30% of the total CTC. If their CTC is 10 lakhs per annum package, then let us assume 10% of the CTC. So 1 lakh rupees will be their joining bonus. See, 1 lakh rupees lump sum amount, if the company is paying to some candidate, that candidate will be very happy, right? Because 1 lakh rupees is a good amount, big amount. So definitely that kind of amount, 10% to 30%, depending on the candidate's technical skills, how badly the company needs the candidate. On those basis, how much joining amount we need to pay this candidate, that is decided by the management. Got it, right? Now should we ask in interviews, should we ask the HR that will you give me joining bonus? Should we ask as a candidate? I would recommend no. You should not ask the HR about joining bonus, but you can request after the salary negotiation, or while in between the salary negotiation, you can request the HR that is there any option for joining bonus, or will you be giving me any joining bonus? This kind of thing you can ask, you can request the HR or the interviewer while in between the interview or at the end of the interview, I can say. But don't ask about joining bonus at the beginning while you're giving your own introduction or the first round of interview. I will say no, don't ask about joining bonuses. This is another thing. Now lot of HRs, lot of interviewers in between the salary negotiation thing, they also add their joining bonus kind of thing. They try to convince the candidate to join the company, saying that we will give you 10 lakhs per annum package, and we will give you 1 lakh rupees as a joining bonus also. Come and join our company. So these kind of tactics or these kind of tricks also HR and interviews they use to make sure the candidate is joining our company. Now, if there is an option, if the HR gives you two options, take 1 lakh rupees joining bonus, or else we will add this 1 lakh rupees only in your CTC. I mean to say monthly you will be getting that amount. Always go for the second option. That 1 lakh rupees is added in your CTC, because in that way your CTC will increase. And when you're going for another company, when you're applying for another company, this CTC will help you there. Joining bonuses will not help you to negotiate in your next company, salary negotiate in your next company, but this increased CTC will definitely help you to negotiate more in your next company. Now, why this joining bonus is given? Is there any terms and conditions attached to this? Yes, definitely. With joining bonuses, there will be a term and condition, and that is the candidate has to stay in that company for 1 long year. If the candidate is leaving in between, I mean to say 3 months into the company or 6 months into the company, the candidate, if he is leaving the company, definitely before leaving he has to return back the joining bonus or relocation bonus, whatever bonus is given at the beginning, that bonus has to be returned back. So to avoid candidates leaving the company within 1 year, that is the reason joining bonuses are given, so that the company will also be assured that okay, this candidate has taken our bonus, joining bonus, so this candidate will stay in our company for 1 year. So they will be mentally prepared, the management will be mentally prepared for that. So joining bonus also has a disadvantage that you have to stick to that company for 1 full year. After 1 year, if you're leaving the company, you need not have to return back the joining bonus. You can after 1 year it's totally up to you, but before 1 year, yes, you have to return back the joining bonus. So this was all about joining bonus. I think you got a good idea. If you have any questions, you can definitely put in the comment section of this video. You can share this video with your friends and family members also, so that they will also understand what exactly is joining bonus. Share this video with your friends in WhatsApp groups, Telegram groups, Facebook groups and Instagram. I'm also active. I also have an Instagram account named Sushmita Madhu. Go to Instagram, search for Sushmita Madhu and you will find me there. We also have a Telegram group named Pashams. You can check the Pashams link in my About Us section. So you can also join that group. And thank you so much. This is my English channel, Sushmita Madhu. I also have a Telugu channel named Pashams. If you want content in Telugu, you can check my Pashams YouTube channel also. Thank you so much. My name is Sushmita and you're watching my YouTube channel, Sushmita Madhu. Namaste.